Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 2. Today we are gonna make a video about our presentation. Before I will start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Carla Senja Putrijaya.
My name is Kalista Lantang.
My name is Aisyah Valentina.
So let's get it.
1. Please translate the text. I would like to present the translation of the text. This text discusses Swetenia Puspalestari, an environmental activist known for her contribution to marine conservation and efforts to reduce plastic pollution. Swetenia Puspalestari. Swetenia Puspalestari adalah seorang aktivitis lingkungan yang inspiratif dari Indonesia. Ia dikenal atas kontribusinya yang besar dalam pelestarian laut dan pengelolaan sampah plastik. Lahir dan dibesarkan di Jakarta, Tenia begitu ia biasa dipanggil memiliki hubungan yang kuat dengan laut sejak usia muda karena ia menghabiskan banyak masa kecilnya menjelajahi kekayaan lingkungan laut Indonesia. Pada tahun 2003, ketika ia berusia 9 tahun, ayahnya ditugaskan sebagai Kepala Taman Nasional Kepulauan Seribu. Setiap akhir pekan dan libur sekolah, Tenia mengunjungi ayahnya. Ia ikut ketika ayahnya berlayar ke pulau-pulau kecil di daerah tersebut untuk bekerja. Ia meliputi pemberdayaan masyarakat dalam melindungi lingkungan dan mengembangkan ekowisata. Ia juga bertemu dengan ilmuwan dan mahasiswa yang datang menemui ayahnya untuk melakukan penelitian di Kepulauan Seribu. Perjalanan Tenia dalam aktivitas di lingkungan dimulai saat masa kuliahnya ketika ia belajar teknik lingkungan di Institut Teknologi Bandung, ITB. Latar belakang akademiknya memberinya pemahaman ilmiah tentang tantangan lingkungan yang dihadapi Indonesia, khususnya berkaitan dengan polusi plastik. Setelah menyaksikan banyaknya sampah plastik di perairan Indonesia saat melakukan penyelaman, Tenia memutuskan mengambil tindakan. Pada tahun 2015, ia mendirikan The First Clean Action atau yang disingkat sebagai DCA, sebuah organisasi non-profit yang bertujuan menangani sampah yang laut melalui keterlibatan masyarakat, edukasi, dan kegiatan bersih-bersih secara langsung. Di bawah kepemimpinan DCA menggerakkan ribuan relawan untuk berpartisipasi dalam kegiatan bersih-bersih pantai bawah laut guna mengangkat berton-ton sampah plastik dari pesisir dan laut Indonesia. Upaya Tenia tidak hanya berhenti pada kegiatan bersih-bersih. Ia mempelopori berbagai program pendidikan untuk meningkatkan kesadaran tentang dampak polusi plastik serta mendorong plastik berkelanjutan. Organisasinya bekerja sama dengan masyarakat lokal, sekolah, dan pemerintah untuk menerapkan strategi pengelolaan sampah dan mengadvokasi kebijakan pengurangan penggunaan plastik. Salah satu pencapaian penting Tenia adalah keterlibatannya dalam serial dokumenter Pulau Plastik Plastic Island yang menyoroti krisis plastik di Indonesia serta dampaknya yang merusak terhadap kehidupan laut dan kesehatan manusia. Serial tersebut tidak hanya meningkatkan kesadaran masyarakat, tetapi juga memicu diskusi kebijakan di tingkat nasional. Dedikasi dan dampak Tenia telah diakui secara internasional. Ia menerima penghargaan bergengsi Sociology Prize pada tahun 2019 yang diberikan kepada individu yang memberikan kontribusi signifikan dalam pelestarian pulau dan budaya. Kisahnya telah menginspirasi banyak anak muda di Indonesia maupun di seluruh dunia mengambil tindakan melawan kerusakan lingkungan. Saat ini, Swetenia Puspalestari terus memimpin DCA dan mengadvokasi laut bebas plastik. Kerja kerasnya diharapkan dapat mempengaruhi lain, khususnya generasi muda.
The next question is number 2. What is the text about? The text is about Swetenia Puspalestari, an Indonesia environmental activist, and her efforts in marine conservation and plastic waste management. Number 2, part B. What is the purpose of the text? The purpose of the text is to inform and inspire the readers about Tenia's journey contribution to protect the environment. Number 2, part 3. Why was the character called an environmentalist? She was called an environmentalist because she actively worked to protect the environment, especially by fighting plastic pollution, funding diverse clean action atau BCA, organizing clean-ups, and promoting sustainable practice. Number 2, part D. When was the writer aware of the environment? She became more aware of environmental issues during her university years, especially after seeing a large amount of plastic waste during a diving trip. Number 2, part E. What did the character do toward the environment? She founded the first clean action under DCA, organized beach and underwater cleanups, created educational programs, worked with communities and the government, participated in a documentary, and advocated for reducing plastic use.
So I will answer the next question. The next question is number 3. The number 3 is write down 10 vocabularies or difficult words with the meaning. And the first, activist. The activist in Indonesian, the meaning is seseorang yang aktif memperjuangkan suatu tujuan. And number 2 is conservation, artinya pelestarian atau pelindungan lingkungan. And number 3 is the meaning. The meaning artinya berhubungan dengan laut. And number 4, pollution. Pollution artinya yaitu adalah polusi. And number 5 is non-profit organization. The meaning is organisasi nirlaba atau tidak mencari keuntungan. And number 6 is debris. Debris, the meaning is puing-puing atau sampah. And the 7 is mobilize, atau artinya menggerakkan atau mengajak untuk bertindak. And number 8, sustainable. Sustainable artinya berkelanjutan, seperti ramah lingkungan dan jangka waktu yang panjang. And number 9, advocate, artinya mendukung atau memperjuangkan suatu hal. And number 10, the last is recognition, pengakuan atau penghargaan.
The next question is number 4 about presentation. Good morning everyone. Thank you for being here today. Let me introduce myself and my group. My name is Safira Aulia Putri and my members are Carla, Asha, and Kalista. Today, we want to talk about an inspiring environmental active from Indonesia. Her name is Switenia Puspalestari, also known as Tenia. Our presentation has 3 parts. First, we will talk about her background. Second, we will explain her actions to protect the ocean. Third, we will talk about her achievements. Tenia Puspalestari was born and raised in Jakarta. Since she was young, she loved the ocean because she often visited Kepulauan Seribu with her father. Her father worked at the national park there, so she learned a lot about nature for him. She studied environmental engineering at Bandung Institute of Technology. When she saw a lot of plastic waste in the ocean during a diving trip, she felt sad and decided to take action. In 2015, she found the first clean action, also known as DCA. This organization focused on cleaning plastic waste from the sea. Under her leadership, thousands of volunteers joined beach and underwater cleanups. They removed tons of plastic waste from Indonesian waters. She also creates education program to teach people about plastic pollution and how to reduce plastic and how to reduce plastic use. She often took part in a documentary called Pulau Plastik Tourist Public Awards. Because of her work, she received the Sociology Prize in 2019. Her story has inspired many young people in Indonesia. In conclusion, Sweetenia Puspalestari show us that young people can make a big difference. We should care more about plastic waste and protect our ocean. Thanks all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, is that our presentation? We close. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi